Well, we've been here a couple days and now we've got the container unloaded, but the inside is definitely a disheveled mess. As you can see, everything's full and covered. It's all an absolute nightmare. Feeling kind of claustrophobic. See, it's definitely quite full in here. And then you can see our container out there. If we walk outside, you can see that's all done and empty. You can see we're getting some progress. Again, just a big disheveled mess. We're still sorting things out. There's a hider back there. I see her. And then this is the container. You can see how beautiful it is here, by the way. And there's a cornfield across. Won't be long and that'll be gone. And this is a 40-foot container. And as you can see, it is quite full, very unorganized. I mean, it's needs some organization, some love, maybe even a little light, but it's just one thing after another. We got a big elephant that we're eating. We're just gonna eat one bite at a time. Definitely some frustration. There's a lot here to have to do. Feel like we want to do it all at the same time. Definitely a little overwhelming, but it's just going to take us some time to get sorted through everything, find all the things that we need when we need them. That's the one part that's kind of frustrating, but all right, so that's an update. The pop-up homestead, we're still tired from the trip and the packing and the whole thing. See, you can see all the plants. There's just a ton of them behind the truck. You can see lots of plants. So it's just one of those things. That's our chicken coop. Chickens are very happy. You gonna say hi, Phoenix? Maybe. Yes, no. You can see him. Look how pretty he is. I think he might. He might, just for the show. There we go. Okay, gonna sign off. Till next time, let's get some, we gotta go to work. Okay, see you, bye.